Welcome to this Windows channel, and this is the Tech News Update for Monday, March 14th, 2016. And in our news update today, we have the DeepMind AlphaGo contest, where basically Google's DeepMind computer is actually challenging a world championship player, which is Lee Sedol in the Go contest. And so in the first match, well, the Google's computer won, but in the second play this weekend, Google computer made a unusual move, and the player won. So it's basically a one-on-one. And that's interesting because experts were saying that the unusual move from the Google's DeepMind artificial intelligence computer shows that it is actually really thinking about what types of moves it can try to win, and it shows that it is really in the artificial intelligence mode. It is quite interesting to see that the machine seems to almost think by itself, basically. So it's pretty cool, and of course, this will be continuing. I think it's a 5 game match, so we'll see how it goes. Microsoft has announced that they are now not accepting bitcoins anymore in exchange for anything that you can buy in the Microsoft Store or the Windows Store. So that's basically one of the first companies that the major companies that's saying, well, you know what, I don't want to have bitcoins. And could it be that bitcoins are now slowly going away for some reason? It's going to be interesting to see because in the last few months, bitcoins have seemed to kind of take a downturn. And even though they're still worth a lot of money, there's more and more people saying, well, you know what? I'm not sure Bitcoin is the money of the future in the virtual world. So we'll see what happens. Anything can happen. Sometimes we think something can, go down or not be maybe the future, and finally it is. So we're going to see as time goes by. But for now, it seems that Bitcoin is slowly retreating of many, many, online companies, and we'll see as time goes by. Microsoft Edge, there's a extension that showed up in the Microsoft Store, which seems to say, well, you know what? Microsoft Edge extensions will be coming very soon to mobile browser and also in the PC browser. So it really, really shows us that we're on the edge of having some extensions for Microsoft Edge. This is a very, very, one of the very important features that a lot of people want to have. And so, and we're expecting basically that in the next insider preview, we'll probably have a extensions available in Edge. So that's going to be also interesting to see. And I will be, of course, demonstrating that in if it does happen in this in the insider previews we'll have. Spotify, over the weekend, Spotify, people were saying, oh, Spotify, and it made the news. Spotify stopping the support for Windows Phone. And today, Spotify just wanted to rectify that information and said, no, 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 we're not stopping support for the Windows Phone. And actually, apparently later today, Monday, will be a update to the Spotify app on Windows Phone. So we're not sure where or why this information came out, but Spotify seems to say, no, no, we are continuing support for Windows Phone. Don't worry, we're not, going away. A lot of people said, well, whoa, this is rather big if Spotify removes itself from the Windows Phone support. But it's not the case, so don't worry. Spotify new version will apparently appear later today. Windows 10 Mobile, Microsoft has announced that Windows 10 Mobile will be probably being shipped March 17th So that's interesting to see that a date is finally there. Windows 10 Mobile should apparently appear or start rolling out basically on March the 17th. So that's going to be make a lot of people happy because a lot of people, and I've been asked so many times by a lot of the users out there, when is Windows 10 Mobile, going to be released officially? So it seems that it's rolling out starting March 17th. And that's pretty much the tech news update that we have today, Monday, March the 14th, 2016. If you have any comments, questions, suggestions, let us know. Maybe you have, problems. Maybe you have a suggestion of a video that I could make about a feature. Of course, you can ask away and we'll try to post a video about it. And don't forget that you can subscribe to our channel if you like the content and also give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.